Hi, hello, good evening. This is Dr. M. Saravanan, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce International Business, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. Hope all of you are doing good. Today, we are going to discuss about that subject business research methods. Shall we continue with the class? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of research. The first type of research is quantitative research and qualitative research. Quantitative research is the systematic investigation of observable phenomena via statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. The main objective of quantitative research is to develop and employ mathematical models, theories, and hypotheses pertaining to a phenomena. Quantitative research is widely used in psychology, economics, demography, sociology, marketing, health and human development, gender studies, and political science. Quantitative data collection methods include various forms of surveys: online survey, paper survey, mobile survey, and kiosk survey. An example of quantitative research is the survey conducted to understand the amount of time a doctor takes to attend a patient when the patient walks into the hospital. The next type of research is qualitative research. It is a kind of research that rely on unstructured or non-numerical data. The data may take the form of field notes written by the researcher in the course of observation, interviews, audio or video recordings carried out by the researcher in natural settings or interviews, documents of various kinds. A good example of a qualitative research method would be unstructured interviews which generate qualitative data through the use of open questions. This allows the respondent to talk in some depth, choosing their own words. This helps the researcher develop a real sense of person's understanding of a situation. The next type of research is descriptive and analytical. Descriptive is defined as a research method that describes the characteristics of the population that is being studied. This methodology focuses more on what the research subject rather than why of the research subject. It involves in-depth study and attempt to explain a complex phenomenon. Analytical research, on the other hand, is primarily concerned with testing the hypothesis and specifying and interpreting the relationships by analyzing the facts or information that is already available. Example I could say is examining the fluctuations of US international trade balance during 1974 and 1995 is an example of descriptive research, while explaining why and how US trade balance move in a particular way over time is an example of analytical research. The next one is exploratory and historical research. Exploratory research is defined as a research used to investigate a problem which is not clearly defined. It is conducted to have a better understanding of the existing problem but will not provide conclusive results. For example, consider a situation where a juice bar owner feels that increasing the variety of juices will enable increase in customers. However, he is not sure and needs more information. So the owner intends to carry out an exploratory research to find out, and hence decides to do an exploratory research to find out if expanding their juices selection will enable him to get more customers, or if that is better idea. Historical method, on the other hand, refers to use of primary historical data to answer a question. Because the nature of the data depends on the question being asked. Data may include demographic records such as birth and death certificates, newspapers articles, letters and diaries, government records, or even architectural drawings. The next type of research is one-time research and longitudinal research. One-time research is a kind of research that is carried out over a single time period. A longitudinal study is a research design that involves repeated observations of the same variables over short or long periods of time. The next one is field setting research or laboratory research. Field research is defined as a qualitative method of data collection that aims to observe, interact, and understand people while they are in a natural environment. A laboratory study may be useful with a special equipment to find out if a drug or a procedure or a treatment is likely to be useful in humans. It may also be a part of a clinical trial, such as when blood or other samples are collected. The next one is applied research and fundamental research. Applied research aims at finding a solution for an immediate problem facing a society or an industrial organization, whereas fundamental research is a systematic study directed towards greater knowledge or understanding of the fundamental aspects of a phenomena and of observable facts without specific application towards the processes or products in mind. Examples of fundamental research is an investigation looking at whether stress levels influence how often students engage in academic cheating, or a study assessing whether men or women are more likely to be diagnosed with depression. An example of applied research include investigating which treatment approach is the most effective for reducing anxiety. The last type of research is conceptual and empirical research. Conceptual research is defined as a methodology wherein research is conducted by observing and analyzing already present information on a given topic. It is related to abstract ideas or concepts. Philosophers have long used conceptual research to develop new theories or interpret the existing theories in a different light. The most famous example I could say of a conceptual research is Sir Isaac Newton. He observed his surroundings to conceptualize and develop theories about gravitation and motion. Empirical research is a research that is based on observation and measurement of phenomena as directly experienced by the researcher. The data thus gathered may be compared against a theory, but the results are still based on real life experiment or experience. For example, pharmaceutical companies use empirical research to try out a specific drug on a controlled groups or a random groups to study the effect and cause. So thank you for patiently listening to my video.